A little elephant named Ellie walked with her family to the river. All elephants happily splashed and played, but Ellie stopped at the edge. Oh no, she whispered. The water is too scary. She took a tiny step back. A little duck swam by. Why aren't you playing? Asked the duck. I am afraid, Ellie said. The duck smiled. Try one tiny step. Ellie carefully dipped just one foot into the water. Hey, it's not bad. She took another step, then another. Soon, she was standing in the shallow water. Suddenly, splash! A tiny fish tickled her toes. Ellie giggled. Soon, she was spraying water with her tongue, splashing with her family and laughing louder than anyone. Ellie smiled proudly. I was brave because I tried. Moral of the story. Being brave does not mean you are never scared. It means trying one small step at a time.